The backyard of this home feels more like you're in the Daintree than Frenchville. 431 Moyle Street is an incredible family home. Let us take you for a quick tour.
One of my favourite parts about this beautiful home in Frenchville is that it's walking distance to Frenchville State School and Joyce Harding's Park.
431 Moyle Street in Frenchville is an incredible opportunity in the Rockhampton real estate market. If our team can help you own this great property, why don't you give us a call? We would love to help you out.